With just a month of left before a new impeachment complaint may be filed against Vice President Sara Duterte, ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino says lawmakers are ready to act. Mobile Journal Amy Atienza reports.
With just a month left before complainants could file another impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte, ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino continued to acknowledge the role of the Supreme Court in this case. The SC declared that the impeachment articles against Duterte were unconstitutional as it barred the one-year rule under the 1987 Constitution. Any subsequent impeachment complaint may only be filed on February 6, 2026.
Well, kung kinakailangan ay handa tayong mag-endorsong muli, no? Pero hindi natin dapat pangunahan ang Supreme Court. As you know, hindi natin dapat pangunahan ang Supreme Court dahil meron kang pending motion for reconsideration doon.
Once the Supreme Court changes its ruling, the impeachment trial against the Vice President will continue in the Senate. This means that there is no need to refile another impeachment complaint, which Tino is hopeful for. But also given the circumstances of no changes in the ruling, Tino also said that the Makabayan bloc is ready to give it another shot.
Malamang no, na itutuloy ng mga complainants ang filing, so handa tayong mag-endorse. At maaaring madagdagan pa yung mga lalamanin ng complaint given na may mga bagong impormasyon na lumabas.
The congressman also recognized the testimony of Ramil Madriaga, an alleged former civil intelligence agent of VP Sara, to be an integral part for the new complaint. Madriaga once testified that there was an alleged involvement of Philippine offshore gaming operators and drug dealers that funded VP Sara's 2022 election campaign.
Oo, kasama doon yung affidavit ni Madriaga, lalo pa at binabanggit ni Madriaga yung mga susing tao sa ano nangyari sa confidential fund, no?
Vice President Sara Duterte has yet to speak on the matter, but his recent survey results show the Vice President improved its trust rating from the public to 56% from the 53% much trust rating last September 2025. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.